fresh bread mga kamote. Nila iluluto sa pugod. Dito yung pugod. Ilagay na siya lalim. Punta natin. Very good. Buka na siya.
How can I turn around?
Stop.
Al. This in left hand.
Left hand.
This right. Your knees on the wall.
On the wall.
Don't scare, it's okay. One more. No. One hand.
One hand. Okay, thank you. Yeah, mga kamote. Very good. What's your name, my friend? Dimitri, yeah. Nice meeting you, Dimitri. Good job. Yeah. Dimitri, mga kamote, tinuruan niya kung paano maglagay ng kukuha ng tinapay. Yeah. Thank you.
Dimitri Kazbek.
Dimitri Kazbek. Ay, say Pinoy kamote. Stupid. Say Pinoy kamote. Pinoy kamote. Pinoy kamote.
Pinoy kamote.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Pinoy, your name?
Yeah.
Kamote,
Kamote.
surname.
Yeah. Pinoy kamote.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Dimitri Kazbek. Good job. Dimitri Kazbek.
Saan naman
Is that your friend?
Di ba na naka-on? Ay, naka-on.
Name is stupid. Dimitri Kazbek. Stupid. Kamote. From? Where from?
From which country?
Russia. From Russia, mga kamote. Nandito sa Armenia. You? Armenia.
Okay. How long you're working here? How long you're working here?
Very long time.
Very long.
Wow. Imagine, very strong. Yang nagluluto ng kwan.
It's like your exercise, huh? Every day. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Dimitri Kazbek.
Thank you.
And Mr. Stupid.
Say hi.
Yan mga kamote. What do you call this one, bread?
Jordan bread.
Puri.
Puri.
This is mother bread.
Mother's bread.
In this one with cheese.
No, we have the this is
Bob, stupid also.
stupid.
One stupid, two. Stupid one, stupid two.
You really understand.
Three stooges. Mga kamote yan. Miss kamote yan. Say hi, Mr.
Hi, Mr. Dimitri.
Stupid one, stupid two. Pinoy kamote. Pinoy kamote.
Say Pinoy kamote. Yes.
Bye-bye.